Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Today I'm sharing my unboxing video of Love From Lizi's May 2020 card kit. The theme is Happy Bluebird. As always, there are two bags included in the kit. There's the larger bag with the paper and the smaller bag with all the embellishments. I'll go ahead and get started with the larger bag. There are 5 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. There's a navy, a Copic friendly white, there's a cream, a mint green, and also a pink. The specialty paper this month is handmade paper, and it has real floral petals mixed in there. It's really pretty. The kit includes a lot of pattern paper this month. This is 6 by 6 in size, and it is single-sided. There are a total of 18 sheets of paper. So I'm just going to flip through these really quickly. Beautiful colors, lots of pinks, some reds, coral color in there, and then this lovely teal or turquoise. There's a couple of the sheets that have some cut apart images. You could also stamp a sentiment in the center of some of those cut aparts as well. There are a few sheets that have this full image of a bouquet. A couple of them have a little border of flowers. So lots of different possibilities, and they're so pretty. There are 2 mini sheets of decoupage. So these are all numbered, so it shows you how you layer these. You just add some foam dimension under each of those pieces, and you can stack them up quite high, or you can just use a few of the pieces. There is 1 sheet that has all of these die-cut sentiments. A couple of them have an image on them as well, and these just punch out. And these coordinate perfectly with all that pattern paper. The sheet of peel-offs this month is the Mint Moon Dust color in the straight design. This is already available in the pinstripe, and so now we'll have it in the straight. Here is the stamp set for the month. Beautiful images. There's a wreath full of leaves and some birds in the center. All of the sentiments fit inside that wreath. So we have for you, missing you, especially for you, and thinking of you. And then the other images are some branches with some birds sitting on them as well. So now moving on to the embellishment bag. There are 5 meters of ribbon. You'll get 1 meter of each design. These are really pretty, and I love this pink ribbon with all the sparkle on it. And then next we have 5 ephemera pieces. There's a bird, there's the flower, there's a little frame with a bouquet, a butterfly, and then also some more flowers and a little butterfly. And then next there are 3 resin roses, and these are self-adhesive. They have a little bit on the back side, this beautiful peach color. There are also 3 resin bluebirds, and these are self-adhesive as well. And then next we have 5 satin roses in this lovely champagne color. They're hard to see in my hand, they really blend in, but these are really pretty. They have a little bit of dimension to them. And then this month we have another bottle of the Nuvo Shimmer Powder. This is the green parade color. If you've seen the last 2 kits from Lizi, she had some Nuvo powder in different colors, so now we're moving on to a green. There is a sample size bag of the sequins. If you really like sequins, you can always purchase the full-size bag as an add-on. And then this month there are 4 dies. There's this really tiny little butterfly, so keep an eye on that one because it might disappear. I've gone ahead and cut these out with some cardstock so you can see them a little bit better. Probably should have chose a darker color. So 2 of the dies are words, and they cut out a special someone, or you could do someone special. And then there's this beautiful ornate corner die. So that would make a very lovely decoration in the corner of your card. And that is everything that is included in the May 2020 Love From Lizi kit. Now let me show you some of the add-ons I received. There is the peel-off bundle. So there's 4 different sheets of peel-offs that coordinate with the kit. There's the apricot in the straight design. There's apple green in sway, lemon glitter in the pinstripe, and also a soft peach in the pinstripe style. And I will have links to all of these items in the description box below. And then next up is a special add-on stamp set. This is called Angels Without Wings. This is an exclusive Love from Lizi stamp set. There are 9 different medical healthcare workers, including 2 male. It's not all just girls this time. Lots of lovely sentiments. And what's so amazing about this stamp set is all of the proceeds are being donated to a local UK hospital to help them purchase more PPEs. Since Lizi is based in the UK, she really wanted to find something to help support her local hospitals. And then moving on to the next add-on, this is the pearlescent bundle. There are 6 sheets of pearlescent paper, beautiful colors that'll coordinate nicely with the kit. And these always sell out very quickly. And then another add-on that Lizi has available every month is a pack of Copic-friendly or alcohol-friendly white cardstock. So you'll receive 10 sheets in that pack. And then moving on to my final add-on. So excited about this one. Lizi has a new mega pack. It's been several months since she's offered any other mega packs, and this one is just beautiful. It's called the Namaste Mega Pack. There is a full stamp set. This is 8 by 12 inches in size, and it has a ton of wonderful and uplifting sentiments. My favorite sentiment on this whole set is be kind to yourself and then let your kindness fill the world. Isn't that great? I'm looking forward to adding these to my cards, and this is a Love from Lizi stamp set. So the stamp set alone is worth the price of this mega pack, but there's more included. There is 1 sheet of the Copic or alcohol-friendly paper, and then there are 4 sheets of pearlescent paper as well, and these are beautiful colors that match all of the pattern paper. And moving on to the pattern paper. There are 32 sheets of 8 by 8 pattern paper, and several of them have a specialty effect on them. These first 2 have glitter. This one has a spot gloss. And there are 2 of every sheet. So some of them are single-sided, some are double-sided. So this one has a pearlescent look to it. I'm trying to go pretty quickly since there's so many papers. There are a few of the designs that don't have any specialty effect on them, and they're not double-sided. So now I'm moving on to the double-sided, and I already flipped over that opposite side so you can just see one of the designs. So beautiful colors, lots of purples. Don't always see purple in paper pads. Purples, some greens, there's a little bit of pink. I love this striped paper. I think that's my favorite. These feathers are beautiful. There are just so many beautiful designs in this paper collection, and I think this will work nicely for masculine as well as feminine cards. So that is everything that's included in the mega pack. Now here's just another look at Love from Lizi's May 2020 card kit. This is a monthly kit and quantities are always limited, so if you do want to purchase the kit, I would suggest not waiting. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to subscribe. I have included links in the description box for the kit as well as all of the add-ons, and there are lots of other add-ons available that I didn't receive. Coming soon, I will be sharing my cards using this beautiful kit, so be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.